Howdy fellas, today we are checking out a Panini mosaic. It's about a $30 box, so there probably shouldn't be anything too good, but if there is and you want it, either comment or probably just email me. That's what's going to work the best, and we will get shipping and prices figured out. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Alrighty, we got some latex gloves on just in case we do strike gold in this, and I hope we do. So, to bend them all. All right. Move that off to the side for now. And here we are with pack number 1. I'm just gonna open it real quick. This is going to be kind of tricky with gloves on, but I do not particularly want to, like, break a card or something. Alrighty, starting off, we got Marcus Smart. Next up, we got Nikola. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Vukovic. Next, we got Kevin Harder. We got Malik Beasley. We got Dyson Daniels. And we got Tobias Harris. That is pack number 1 of 6. Got the next one. Wrapper. Alrighty, we got Ivica Zubic, Jerami Grant, Talon Horton Tucker, Luke Kennard, Blake Wesley, and Kevin Durant. I hope that's a good one because we got a Kevin Durant, KD, baby. I pray that that's an expensive one. I'm going to be maybe even checking the prices in this video because that's got to be pretty good. We're going to set KD away. I feel like that's probably got some, it's probably worth like $5, but who cares? Yeah, trying to keep the edges nice. Alrighty, we got Davion Mitchell, Ayo Duzanmu, Kobe White, Emmanuel Quickly, Alondis Williams, and Anthony Edwards. Not bad, not bad, not bad. We'll put that with KD. Got 3 more packs left. Doing my best not to break these. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Okay. We got Jonathan Kumingu, Ben Simmons, ooh. Devontae Graham, Jalen Suggs, not bad, not bad. Isaiah Mobley, and Jamal Murray. 2 more packs left. Oh boy. Oh, that's how I should be opening them so it doesn't like, yeah. We got Aaron Gordon, Cameron Thomas, Bones Highland, another Devontae Graham, Max Christie, and Jrue Holiday. One more pack left, fellas. One more pack. Oh boy. They're trying to make this like as hard as they possible. Oh goodness. Okay. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Alrighty, we got DeAndre Hunter, Harrison Barnes, Jaden McDaniel, Aaron Neesmith, Paul George, and Kenyon Martin Jr. Okay, that is all of the 36 cards. Alrighty, fellas, if you did enjoy that video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what card was your favorite. And comment if you want any of the cards in this video. Email me if you want any of the cards in this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.